Before you attempt to clean the ZeroChlor chamber, gather together a few items. 2 5-gallon pails, a gallon jug of muriatic acid, a skinny wooden or plastic dowel, silicone sealant, rubber gloves, a mask, and protective eyewear. Make 6 or 7 marks on the inside of 1 5-gallon pail. This will help you accurately measure the 5-to-1 mixture of water and acid solution. The other pail should be filled with fresh water from a hose or from the pool. Before removing the chamber from the system, turn off the pump and the power source to the ZeroChlor control box. You shouldn't need any tools to remove the chamber from the system. Start by removing the white oxygen wire and the black ionizing wire from the chamber. These should only be finger tight. Never use a tool to tighten these nuts. If there is a clamp in the center, unsnap it. Then loosen the chamber's unions and allow it to drain for a few minutes. Continue to remove the union nuts and then unsnap the chamber from the center clamp. Be careful not to lose the union's O-rings. Set them aside. Now, take a good look at the copper bars in the titanium stack. If the bars are less than 4 millimeters thick, replace versus cleaning. The oxidation buildup on the copper bars should disappear quickly in the acid-water mixture. Never leave the bars or plates in longer than needed. Immerse the copper side of the chamber first. Once the bars are clean, remove from the acid-water mixture and rinse in the pail of fresh water. Next, closely examine the titanium stack. If there is considerable deposits on the plates, try to remove them as much as you can with a wooden or plastic dowel. Never use anything metal. Then immerse the plates as soon as they are clean. Remove the chamber from the acid-water mixture and immediately place the chamber into the fresh water to rinse. Never allow the plates to remain in the acid bath for more than 10 minutes. Whenever the cleaning process is performed, there will be a small removal of the titanium coating. Reinstall the chamber. First, put the O-rings back in place. Use a very small amount of silicone sealant to hold the O-rings in place. Snap the chamber into the clamp. Tighten the unions, reconnect the white and black wires. White wires go to the titanium plates, black to the copper bars. Finish by snapping the center clamp back into place. Start the pump, check for leaks. When the system is fully primed, you may turn the power back on to the ZeroChlor system. Check the red and blue numbers and adjust them to their proper values. And you're done.